Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make pomegranate and coconut mojito. This is so refreshing, and let's just cut to the chase. So look at that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wah! I'm in the screen now, isn't it? That was so good, it took me out the screen. And I had to return. I had to make a return to tell you guys how good this is. Now I'm getting pulled back out. Boom. Just joking. Let's move on to the recipe of this magnificent, this wonderful, this extraordinary, this exquisite drink that is pomegranate and coconut mojito. Okay, so I'm going to begin by adding in half a cup of pomegranates right inside the bowl. That's that. 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's there. Next thing is, okay, so I'm gonna add in some fresh mint leaves. Just tear it up a little bit. So it just makes it easy for the steps that follow. Okay, that's that. Now, the next step is to squeeze in some lemon juice, or if you have lime, you can squeeze in lime juice. Lime is better to squeeze in, but we add lemon over here. Now I have a slice of lemon here. I'm gonna just add that completely in, and the next step is to crush it. So you can, if you have one of these tools over here to use, you can use that to crush it by just like crushing it down. Or the other thing is, a lot of people have like wooden spoons, or maybe like a big metal spoon, like one of these wooden spoons over here. So you can even use this and you just crush it down. Okay, so let's just give it a little bit of a crushing effect there. It's all being crushed very nicely now. So we did this for a couple of minutes, and now we're gonna move on to the next step. So we've got like a glass over here, and what we've done is we've just surrounded it, the tip of the glass, with some sugar. And you can watch some of my previous videos on how you can actually achieve this. So what I'm gonna do now is add in what we've crushed in terms of the pomegranate and also the mint leaves and the lemon juice, so that goes inside. And just be careful not to touch the sugar at the top. Just want to make sure that the presentation of this is as good as the taste as well. And it's obviously it's got some pomegranates, but also you want the juice to be in there as well. That's being crushed, that's been emitted. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we have some coconut water here, Avida coconut water. You can obviously use some other type of coconut water. Sometimes you can even use the natural thing. So that's the brand that we're using here today. But you can obviously use other types of brands, or you can use even actual coconut water. It's not so difficult, you just get the water from outside of it. Now what I'm gonna do is add this in. You can use some sparkled water, you can use some Sprite like we've done in previous videos. Here we are using some coconut water, and just raise it up all the way. Okay, so now I've got some ice cubes. I'm gonna add this in. So I've got about 3 cubes over here. So that's that. Next, what I'm gonna do is, I've got a couple of mint leaves. I'm just gonna like tear it, look at that. It's kind of make it into like 1/8 of what it is. Do like that, and then just kind of put it on top. Okay, and then next thing I'm gonna do, maybe to end with, is just kind of slit this lemon and then just put it there for presentation purposes. And finally, you want to just add the straw. The syrup of having the pomegranate crushed, the mint leaves, the lemon, and some of the sugar. There are no words. There's no dictionary, there's no thesaurus, there's no lexicon to describe how wonderful this is. So with that said, like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't hit it already. Hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Share this content to as many people as possible. And with that said, catch you in the next one.